What's up, y'all? It's your girl Tia, and I'm back with another video. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna cook for dinner. That's what this video is about. Basically, just come cook with me and see what's for dinner and what I'm cooking right now. Y'all know I love eating. Y'all know I love food. Yes, I'm on a diet, so don't judge me. But every now and then I like to throw in the kitchen and throw down. So today's one of those days. Always went out for the day with my mom and my sister. So I have the two little ones and they're in there. Zion is actually just chilling out, watching a movie. He'll be sleeping in about like 5 minutes. And Cairo is he's asleep already, but he'll be up in a few minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and hurry up and speed up this video. And yeah, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Tia. I love y'all. Thank y'all for checking out my channel. If you're not new, welcome back, y'all. Y'all know I love y'all. But yes, I'm gonna keep doing this because I love these inches that I got now. But let's get right here into this video. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna make for dinner and take you guys along with me as I cook it up in the kitchen like yo. Okay, so tonight I'm going to be making some Glory Foods collard greens. I'm going to be making some baked macaroni and cheese. I use eggs, so this is what I got from ShopRite. All of this I got from ShopRite. This was $4.99. These were about 88 cents, I believe. This right here was $1.99. These turkey necks I used for the collard greens, as well as these onions. And these were, how much were these? $3.93. I'm not making a big old feast. I'm just making enough for dinner. So I just got a smaller pack of smoked turkey necks, and these I added to my greens. I have some cheese here. This was $1.77 this week, so I have some sharp cheese, and somewhere in here I have some whole milk mozzarella. These were on sale as well. So this is for the macaroni and cheese. This is for the macaroni and cheese, and I just got just a whole chicken here, Purdue brand, and I paid, how much did I pay? You guys can see. If it clears up, $8.32. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get into cooking before the boys get up. My little stuff over there, I have to clean that up. So yeah, this is what we're gonna be having for dinner. I'm gonna go ahead and start preparing this, and I'm gonna just vlog everything. I might not speak, it'll probably just be some music in the background, but let's get into this video. Enjoy. Okay guys, so I didn't show you guys, but I'm also going to be making some Jiffy corn muffin mix, basically cornbread. So I'll show you guys that as well. I didn't add that in the clip, but yeah, we got to have some cornbread with some nice warm melted butter over it. So that's what we're going to be adding as well. So let's get it. Cast iron pan to bake it in because your girl forgot to get an aluminum pan. So here is what it's in. I'm going to show you guys what seasons that I use so you guys don't just be confused when I'm just adding everything. But I'm going to be using some butter. I'm going to be using some Sazon seasoning, also with some onion powder. Trying to get better lighting. I'm also going to be using some garlic powder. It's a little bit in there. I think I have another one. I'm going to be using another onion powder. A little bit of basil leaves, some parsley flakes, of course some seasoned salt, and some minced garlic. And these I'm just going to just throw all of this on here, marinate it all good on the inside and around it, and throw some butter on the inside. And I'm also going to be adding some onions to it as well. So I'll be putting in some onions inside and on the outside to give it extra flavor. Okay, so let's go. Okay guys, so I threw on all my seasons. Yes, it looks a little crazy, but it smells so good right now, and it's not even cooked yet. I'm gonna go ahead and add me some onions to it, so I'll just show you guys as well. I'm just gonna add the onions to the inside. Inside I added some sazon, some seasoning salt, some garlic. I'm gonna add some butter inside and on the top, as well as the onions. So right now this process is just the onions and the butter. Okay, y'all, so I'm going to use this Reynolds wrap here, foil, and I'm going to cover it up, and I'm going to put it in the oven for about 3 hours, 3.5, and just check it after maybe an hour. Poke it a little bit, let the juice kind of sink into the chicken. But I'm going to go ahead and use this wrap to cover it and let it bake. Once it's cooked for maybe about 2 hours, I'm going to uncover it and let it get a little more brown, a little more crisp. So it can be a nice little coating, okay? Okay, so right now I'm going to take my greens and I'm going to rinse them and wash them really good, and then I'm going to add it to the pot, and we're going to start the greens. So here are my green seasoned onions. Turkey necks are in it, water, a little bit of oil, and I'm gonna go ahead and I mixed it a little bit twice. I mixed it twice, so I'm gonna go ahead and cover it with this lid and just let it cook for about 2 hours. Just keep checking it if you don't want it to be too overcooked. So just keep checking it as you cook it. Okay, y'all. So right here I just have my macaroni noodles. I have 2 boxes in this. Okay, so you guys can see here that it puffed up a little bit. This shows that they're just about done and ready to come out. They kind of got a little bigger. They were smaller before, as showed you guys in the before clip, and this is how they look after. So this tells you guys that it's ready for them to come out and into the pan to be baked, or just period, they're done. Okay, so here I have some eggs that I'm going to crack. I'm going to crack about 5 for the batch that I'm making, which is this size over here from a macaroni and cheese. So I'm going to crack 5 eggs. I'm going to add a half a cup of milk, and then I'm going to add this extra mozzarella as well. Excuse me. Okay guys, so here is the macaroni and cheese. It's done. I'm going to add some salt, some pepper, eggs, milk, a little dash of butter, and cheese, and all the cheeses that I have, which is mozzarella and sharp. Okay, and these are the ingredients I'm going to be using for my cornbread. Just going to be using 2 boxes of corn mix, 2 eggs, some milk, and then here is just another little dish that I'm going to be adding the mix into once it's done to bake in. So let's go. Okay guys, the macaroni and cheese is done. I just mix it a little bit to just kind of make sure the middle is not so watery, but it's actually perfect. Look at this, yo, like so good, so cheesy. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and make my baby some food, and I will see you guys in a minute. Y'all, here are my greens. They are pretty much done. I'm letting them cook for a little bit more to get a little more tender, but they're pretty much done. Here are the turkey necks. I cannot wait to eat. My stomach is growling. This is pretty much done, and my oven stuffer is just about done too. All right, y'all, I'm about to start back on just to kind of keep my braids laid down. I'm going to take this spoon. I'm going to taste this macaroni and cheese. Y'all, my mouth is watering. Okay, so here it is. Oh, it's not too hot. Bomb. Okay. Bomb, bomb, bomb. I'm gonna get one more bite. I ain't gonna double dip. So I'm gonna make me a plate. And I'll see y'all when my chicken is done.